Central Agricultural University Imphal da resilient oiba makhalgi agricultural education system pinabagi pandamda numinini chatagada by Indian Agricultural Research and Education System and NARES blended learning platform BLP gi workshop ngasidagi haukre University asi College of Agriculture na sinduna college asida chathariba workshop asi University asi gi faculty sing administrative staff sing amasung mahiroi sing da blended learning platform gi maramda ningthina khanghanaba pangthok BLP Hairiba learning system asi online amasung offline da pangthokpa yaba traditional method of teaching and learning amadi modern technology sing sizinaduna pangthokpa amana amabu complement taunaba makhalgi learning system ni workshop hawdokpaga mari lainana college asigi dean professor Indira Sarangthemna learning system asina oja amasung mahiroi singi marakta interaction tawhanduna mahiroi singda effective oiba self-paced learning amasung personalized learning experience lehenduna academic outcome hanbada achoba mateng fangani hairiba learning system asigi haujiki matamda yamna maruoiba platform amani masina education system da achoba ahongba ama purak pangamgani haina phongdokhi thauramadu da kaw Imphal gi tongan ba college ki mari leinaba faculty sing amade mahiroi kayana online amasung offline gi khuthangda sarukyaki.
All the technologies to facilitate blended learning such as computer lab, audio-visual tools, smart classroom and virtual classroom are available in most of our campuses of CAU. And so it is more a powerful tool for us to be in coordinate or in learning our blending learning platform. Therefore, let us all make use of these platforms' full potential and try to develop a more inclusive education system that help us prepare our students to learn and develop as 21st century global citizens.